Check out the exciting new Chevy S-Series pickups featured in this video. Then watch for your secret match and win number to appear on the screen. Write it down on the prize certificate and take it to your local Chevy dealer. If it matches the number in the showroom, you win a new Chevy S-Series pickup.
Nice truck.
Hey, take good care of it now.
What you looking at? You got your eye on something, and I know it ain't my hat. I'm hoping I got it, what you can't do without. You know what I'm talking about. You wanna ride in my Chevy? You're out on the town, looking for a thrill. You got your hair blowing and your hands on the wheel. You're itching for action that can't be denied. Something that you never tried. You wanna ride in my Chevy? It's got to be smooth and sweet. It's got to go when you turn on the heat. Like a cat on the run. A little heaven and a whole lot of fun. You wanna ride in my Chevy? You wanna ride in your Chevy? Ain't got no money or a house on the hill. Can't give you diamonds or a coupe to feel. If you can be happy with the simplest things, you could be the girl of my dreams. Then you can ride in my Chevy. It's got to be smooth and sweet. It's got to go when you turn on the heat. Like a cat on the run. A little heaven and a whole lot of fun. You wanna ride in my Chevy? It's got to be smooth and sweet. It's got to go when you turn on the heat. Like a cat on the run. A little heaven and a whole lot of fun. You wanna ride in my Chevy? You got to ride in my Chevy. Let's take a ride in my Chevy. How about it, girls?
Here you go, Chief.
Hey, it's on me.
Hi, I'm J.D. Hart, and I'm here to introduce you to the all-new Chevy S-Series pickups, the most advanced family of Chevy trucks ever. Trucks so totally new from the inside out that everything else is history. Chevy engineered them around you with better aerodynamics and more two-sided galvanized steel, and a choice of high-performance engines. You got more room in here and more power under here. And a whole new look out here. The all-new Chevy S-Series pickups. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, extended cabs, long beds, even a super sport.
With prices starting at just $94.75, you'll want to ride in a Chevy. Here's your secret match and win number that could win one for you. Write it down on the prize certificate attached to the video cover and take it to your local Chevy dealer before March 31st, 1994. If it matches the number on display at the showroom, you win a Chevy S-Series pickup. And while you're there, check out the rest of the Chevy truck family, the most dependable, longest-lasting trucks, including Chevy full-size pickups, the first choice in pickups, with more models to choose from than anybody else, and the best resale value on the market. Or choose the best-selling compact sport utility ever built, Chevy S-Blazer, priced thousands less than a comparable Ford Explorer. Looking for a versatile minivan? Check out the redesigned Lumina with available modular seating for 7, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, and a driver's side airbag. Whatever you're looking for in a van, Chevy Astro is the van that can. With available room for 8 and towing capabilities up to 5,500 pounds. Or maybe you want the ultimate on the road or off. It's the new Chevy Suburban with room for up to 9 people and the capabilities of taking them just about anywhere.
Ain't it time you took a ride in a new Chevy? The most dependable, longest-lasting trucks on the road.